Hey, it's Ken with MrTruck.com, and I found another cool accessory. That's what I do. I review accessories, trucks, and trailers, and I review as many accessories as I do trucks and trailers, because it's stuff you can really use. It'll help your life, improve your safety with trailering and trucking. And this is the Quick Cranker. Quick Cranker. It's a name you won't forget. 2 Ks. And this is from TC of Tennessee. And he makes these, and they're really cool for becoming your jack, your electric jack. Now I've got 6 test trailers. So one of them has a hydraulic jack and 2 of them have electric jacks. Now if you're gonna go out and buy an electric jack just to run your trailer, you gotta buy a battery and you gotta do all that wiring, and a hydraulic jack, you're looking over $1,500. And this Quick Cranker can do everything a jack can do, an electric jack can do. It's fast. It'll make the trailer go up and down in 7 seconds. And there's all kinds of good drills out there. This one happens to be a Flex, and I've got a DeWalt, and there's a lot of Milwaukees that are really good. This one's 1,400 foot-pounds of torque, but probably the drill you have now is going to work. And it's it attaches to, like, this is the stub on a regular gooseneck horse trailer. We're also trying them out on commercial bumper pulls, commercial goosenecks. When you go out and invest money in electric jack, that's the problem with the batteries. I mean, I've got 4 trailers that have jacks on them. That means I have 5 batteries. Battery maintenance is a whole nother problem. But these are really, really cool, and they're simple, and you just buy the end part. You already got your drill, and it'll take away a lot of the time it takes to run these. And I have a lot, like I say, I have a lot of trailers, so I switch trailers back and forth, and it's a real pain in the butt to have every one of them with a jack on. If you have this, you just take this to every different trailer you're jacking up, and it really does the trick. Makes it easier for goosenecks, bumper pulls, for any of that stuff, and it's a tool you already have or will always be using. So I'm going to show you how it works on this gooseneck. I've got footage of using it on a semi-trailer. I've got footage using it on a gooseneck dump trailer and a bumper pull dump trailer. So I'll keep trying to find more things to use it with, but I think it's great. And you want to see TC of Tennessee and get you a good deal on one of these. But now I'm going to just show you on this. This is a feather light going up and down with the jack, just using the drill, just a drill and a quick cranker. And I'm talking about safety is a lot of times on these goosenecks, you have to crank it so far, drop the leg so far to get it to the right height, especially with these newer trucks that are very, very tall. And so you end up blocking up the jack, and you know how stable that is, having a block on a jack. I've had a few of them slip. So that may not be your best option, but this Quick Cranker could be the one that really speeds up your trailering, your hooking up your trailers and all that. And I'm going to show you everything I know about this Quick Cranker. My Flex drill, and we'll try the DeWalt next. I don't know if you can see this. Let me get a close-up of what it looks like. See, it's an octagonal, or let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever six-sided socket is for these horse trailers. The ones for the commercial trailers and semis is just round with a pin through it. So this just goes in where your crank handle goes. And that's all you do is you stick the socket on the trailer drill. That was down. And this is up. You want to hang on to it. Cool. Up and down it goes with just a drill, for crying out loud. How can you beat that? Just a drill is all you need. Here's the DeWalt. This is an XR. I got it on level 1. It's 5 amp hour, 20 volt. And this is 1,200 foot-pounds of torque too. Okay, test number 2. This is on the dump trailer, a load trail from Jayhawk Trailers. We're going to take this handle off first, and then we'll put the cool tool on here. on the ball. I can lift the leg all the way up, of course. All right, quick cranker. All the way in 9 seconds, it'll go 7 inches. Well, that's all you need. You do want to remember, there's some torque involved. Grab the hold of the battery and hang on to it. Some of them have a handle you can put on them. This one does, and that makes it a little easier. We don't want you to get hurt. Just hang on to that rascal. Going up, going down, it's not a big deal.
This is a very safe process. Don't worry that anybody can handle it, no matter what age you are. But we recommend you be 18 years old or better. Listen to the explanation that we've done, or you get adult supervision till you get pretty darn savvy at what's going on here. So that's what we're hoping you'll understand.
Yeah, and I go all the way. That's all the way up on the jack. Just got to pull in the leg. But that's so cool. Think about all the time you're going to save, all the money you're going to save, all the backache, all the heartache, all the sweating, all the screaming and cussing. Yeah, quick cranker. Isn't that cool? That's all you got to do is put this on your drill and you're ready to jack that trailer up. Nothing to it. All the way up. And I'm always trying to find something practical, something that you can use and will help your life and will help your, be safe with trailers and trucks. And I found something.